Yo, what's good? I'm back with part 2. My shit cut off because of my memory. I had to make more room for it, but alright, I left off at Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. Oh yeah, Roman Reigns. Ooh, this one's nice. I got a Kane Triple Threat 1 Mystery. It's like a holographic looking thing. Looks fucking badass. I got Yoshitatsu SmackDown. And I got Naomi from Raw. Alright. 3 packs down. Damn, man. I got the Great Khali from SmackDown. Try to do these fast. Christian, SmackDown. Rey Mysterio, Raw. I got Ryback, Triple Threat 3, Intensity. I got a Justin Gabriel, SmackDown. Heath Slater, SmackDown. And I got a Big John Studo, Legend. That pack. Open another one real quick. Got Kane Raw. And got another Dolph Ziggler. I'll be racking up Dolph Zigglers today, huh? I got a Big Show. Ooh, this one's nice. Looks different. A Raw Rosa Mendes. I got a Sin Cara Triple Threat High Flying. Then I got one of my favorites, Legends, Mr. Perfect, Legend. Then I got a Vader, Legend. And put these down here because they keep falling off. Get a new stack. It's already running up 3 minutes, man. I think I'm about to make a part 3 or something. Okay, I got a Fandango SmackDown. I got a Natalya SmackDown. Let's see, I got these upside. I got a Teddy Long SmackDown. I got a CM Punk Triple Threat, the Anaconda Vice. I got Dean Ambrose Raw. John Cena Raw. And I got another Rosa Mendes, but different colors this time. Raw. I think I'm about to make another part 3, man. This thing's taking too fucking long to get all these unboxed. Yeah, sure. Let's see. We got Cowboy Bob Orton. Jimmy Superfly Snuka. And I think I already have another one. Ravishing Rick Rude. Pimp. The Miz, Triple Threat, Skull Crushing Finale. And I got Jinder Mahal, SmackDown. Percy Watson, SmackDown. And Wade Barrett, SmackDown. He's gonna cut off me in here just a second, man. Mark Henry, SmackDown. Alicia Fox, Raw.